That housing project cost a fortune, but in order to retain and get quality staff, I think you need to give something back to them.
And tell us a little bit about what you even went so far as to put up a playground in that in your area.
We did. My boyfriend did. We saw there's a lot of kids out there. A lot of the kids just kind of wander around in the summertime because there's nothing really structurally here for them to do. There's no parks, there's no fields, there's nothing here in Tucson. And so his idea, we had the space, why not put up a playground and an outdoor cooking area so they can go out and they can cook up hamburgers or steaks, and kids can play in the playground. They can all get together. We got some tables and chairs up there, and it can be a gathering of friends and families. My view here is that every owner currently in Tucson has got properties, one commercial, and two, they got properties elsewhere they could build quality residential. A lot of the owners here have decided to take their staff, their housing here, and move it down the valley, 20 miles down the road, which was their choice, their thought process. But when you have the wintertime, you've got people going 20 miles down the road, up and down the highway when it's icy and snowy, there's a danger. And if you come down 64, you see an awful lot of crosses alongside the highway. A lot of those are staff members that lost their lives because their housing is 20 miles away. That wasn't mine. I had the property here to be able to build housing, and so it's important to me that my staff is happy and safe.
Why not the trailers? Wouldn't that be just much easier to go?
For a short-term basis. But a trailer is a trailer. It's not a house. It's not somewhere where you can hang a picture in and have it be yours. We're the entrance to the Grand Canyon. And I think we have a responsibility to respect when people are coming through this town what they're seeing. And if someone's going to go down the side road, I don't want them to see a bunch of trailers with no landscaping, wood skirts. I'd rather they see something quality.